Alright, this is a regular Locust, Deadwood. All this stuff on the bottom here. This right here. I got my line set already. I was here 3 years ago. This branch broke out from snow and ice weight. I left that little stub there. Daniel Murphy talks about leaving stubs and letting whatever can grow off the stub grow, which is what looks like happened, because that growth was not there when I left the stub. But it looks like there's no leaves on that either. There's another one here, cut back to a lateral. Same thing about 3, maybe 4 years ago. And you can see there's no green on that at all, so we're taking that whole log off. Let me see. These crazy vines, I think it's wild grape. Definitely not the wild grape, might be something else. Let me see. Not sure what that is. It's not wild grape though, but there's a vine growing up into here. We're gonna have to cut that at the base here and get that out of there. I told the client too, 3 years ago, this tree seemed like it had a lot more vigor to it. I mean, yeah, there's foliage all throughout, which is good. You can see the far tips out there. You know, if there's foliage out there, if it's still pushing buds out to develop leaves, that means it's in, you know, relatively good health. But it looks sparse overall, which I told the client, you know, maybe this tree is starting to decline, maybe not. I saw some stuff on the trunk here too. You know, like right there. That feels solid, but it looks like decay underneath. I mean, all the bark on this tree, as far as I can tell, is pretty solidly attached, which is also a good sign. So, certainly not imminently hazardous. But yeah, you see we got more of that vine climbing up over there. So this is what happens when you have like a, you know, unkempt wooded area. Like there's nothing over there. That's not a yard. It's just like a, what do you call it? Like the common area. So anything that's going to grow wild is going to come over the fence. This is wild grape. That's what I was talking about. It's definitely wild grape. You see? So that doesn't look like the other one, so I'll find out what that other one is. But yeah, the you know, stuff's just going to keep growing over. All right. I'm going to cut some of these from the ground first with the pole saw, what I can get. Then I'll go up. It's going to be a good day.